Good morning, everybody, and welcome, and thank you for your commitment to eliminating hepatitis around the world. I'm Patrick O'Carroll. As you heard, I'm the CEO at the Task Force for Global Health. The Task Force is really a family of programs that are linked by a common approach, and that is a collaborative, respectful approach that realizes every big challenge can only be taken on by enormous coalitions of different kinds of professionals and organizations working together with a focus on a specific goal. And that marks all of the different programs we have at the task force. We have a set of programs in health system strengthening. Our original program began having to deal with vaccine equity, but we have a slate of programs as well in disease elimination. And of course, the program that we're talking about today has to do with hepatitis. It really is an honor to be here at this first meeting of the Friends of Hepatitis Elimination. And I welcome you and wish you all the best with this meeting. I'm here to learn and to meet all of you and to do anything we can to support John and his program and all of you. So welcome and good luck.